In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 808s on BandLab. If you're new to this, an 808 is a deep, punchy bass tone that's a staple in hip-hop, trap, and modern pop. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can get that low-end setup quickly in BandLab's web studio. Start by heading to the BandLab website in your browser. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. Select your Google account from the list and confirm by clicking Continue. That will take you back into BandLab with your profile signed in and ready. Once you're in, go to your library. This is where all your projects live. Click the project you want to add 808s to. If you're starting from an existing beat or melody, that's perfect. The 808 will sit under it as your bass foundation. After opening the project, click Studio to launch the editor. Give it a second to load. This is where all the creative tools are. Inside the studio, add a new track by clicking Add Track. From the track type options, choose Virtual Instruments. This creates an instrument channel that you can play or program with your MIDI keyboard or your computer's typing keyboard. By default, BandLab often loads a piano patch called Studio Grand. We're going to swap that out. Click the instrument name to open the instrument browser. Navigate to the category labeled 808s. This is BandLab's collection of bass presets designed to deliver that sub-heavy, gritty, or clean low end you expect from an 808. Now select the 808 you want from the list. Take a moment to audition a few presets before choosing. You can tap the on-screen keys or play your MIDI keyboard to hear how each one responds. Listen for things like how long the note rings out, how the attack hits, and whether the tone is clean, distorted, or somewhere in between. Headphones or good speakers help here so you can really hear the sub-frequencies. Once you've found an 808 that suits your track, confirm your selection. You'll see the instrument loaded on your new track in the studio, ready to go. From here, you're set to follow your usual workflow, whether you prefer to record notes live or program them in the piano roll. The important part is you now have the 808 instrument in place inside your project. That's it. You navigated to BandLab, signed in, opened your project, created a virtual instrument track, switched the instrument to the 808 category, and picked the exact 808 you want. You're ready to build the low end that makes your track hit.